Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of AI Unplugged with Kris and Steph, where we take you through everything AI.
And today we'll be talking about how businesses can use AI to automate their social media.
So, Kris, how can businesses use AI to automate social media?
So businesses can use AI agents to automate their social media posts across LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
So, how do businesses automate social media posts?
So what I've seen businesses start to do is to connect into RSS feeds that talk about all the trending topics in their industry. They connect an AI agent which extracts all the key information and generates social media posts, which then can be posted across LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.
That's really interesting, Kris. And can you please tell us more about how it works?
So, Steph, essentially what happens is the AI agent pulls a JSON payload from the RSS feed. It then uses system instructions such as your role as a social media expert, and you need to generate a LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook post. The LLM then has an output parser, which then ensures that the structure of the response is in a certain JSON structure. We then go ahead and store this JSON payload into a database. The business then is able to be the human in the loop and actually approve the post before it is posted to all the different social media networks.
Another question in relation to automating social media posts. Are AI agents sophisticated enough to understand how the different types of social media platforms work? And do we actually need to tailor the prompts specific for each of the platforms?
As part of the AI agent workflow, we're able to split out the response into different branches. So for example, we can split it out. We can split into its Twitter branch or into its Instagram branch or into its Facebook branch. This will allow us to personalize the social media post for the specific platform that we want to post it to.
And what an amazing thing that AI agents can do. And in the future, I'm sure they can do a lot more, would you say?
Yeah, so the next step after you've automated your social media posts is to have the AI agents actually respond to the comments posted on there. So think of it this way. You are talking about the latest, most trending topics in your industry. The AI agent goes ahead and generates LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook posts. Over time, users see that and comment on it. Then the AI agent can actually go ahead and respond to those comments so that you're increasing engagements on all of your social media platforms.
And so is this a cheat code to hack the algorithms?
It could be.
Well, I'm sure a lot of businesses will want to implement AI agents, knowing that they can hack the algorithm, cut costs, and then also improve and automate their processes. So thanks so much for joining us on this week's episode where we took a deeper dive in relation to how AI agents can automate social media posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please do comment below to ask us any questions so we can address it in next week's session.
Stay tuned and I'll be posting a how-to video to actually automate your social media post. See y'all.
Thank you. Bye.